Agnes Kavindu Muthama is a respected Kenyan legislator, community mobilizer, and public servant widely known for her role as the woman representative for Machakos County. Her leadership journey reflects resilience, grassroots activism, and a strong commitment to social justice, community empowerment, and inclusive development. Emerging from modest beginnings, Kavindu has steadily built a political career centered on service, advocacy, and improving the lives of women, youth, and vulnerable communities. Agnes Kavindu was born and raised in Machakos County, in Kenya's eastern region. Growing up in a rural setting shaped her deep understanding of the socioeconomic challenges faced by ordinary households: poverty, limited access to education, gender inequality, and inadequate health care. These realities influenced her passion for community service and her desire to contribute to public leadership. Her upbringing emphasized discipline, perseverance, and respect for others. From a young age, Kavindu displayed qualities of leadership, empathy, and determination. She was particularly sensitive to the challenges facing women and children, experiences that would later inform her advocacy in public life. Agnes Kavindu pursued her education in local schools within Machakos County. While details of her academic background are not as widely publicized as those of long-established national figures, she is known to have invested heavily in self-development, leadership training, and civic education. Beyond formal education, Kavindu's political and leadership skills were shaped through real-world engagement, community organizing, mentorship, and grassroots activism. She developed strong skills in mobilization, communication, and conflict resolution, which became critical assets in her later political career. Before entering national politics, Kavindu was actively involved in community development initiatives and political organization at the grassroots level. She worked closely with women's groups, youth organizations, and local leaders to address issues such as women's economic empowerment, access to education and bursaries, health awareness, and maternal care, youth engagement and employment. Her community work earned her recognition as a dependable and compassionate leader. She became known for her ability to listen to people's problems and advocate persistently for solutions. Agnes Kavindu's transition into elective politics was driven by her desire to champion women's representation and strengthen inclusive governance. She became actively involved in party politics and political mobilization within Machakos County. In the 2017 general election, Kavindu contested and was elected woman representative for Machakos County. Her election was historic, signaling growing acceptance of grassroots women leaders and affirming the electorate's trust in her ability to represent countywide interests at the national level. As woman representative, Agnes Kavindu focused on legislation, advocacy, and development initiatives targeting women, youth, and marginalized groups. Her role involved not only representation in parliament but also oversight of national policies affecting counties. Key areas of focus included women empowerment through table banking, microfinance support, and entrepreneurship programs, youth development, including skills training and sports empowerment, education support, especially bursaries for needy students, healthcare advocacy, with emphasis on maternal health and access to medical services, gender equality and social justice, supporting laws that protect women and children. She also utilized the National Government Affirmative Action Fund, NGF, to support community projects across Machakos County. In Parliament, Kavindu participated in debates and committee work, often advocating policies that promote inclusivity, social protection, and devolution. Her legislative interests aligned strongly with human welfare and grassroots development. She supported motions and bills addressing gender-based violence, social safety nets, county development, and equal access to resources. Her contributions reflected a practical understanding of grassroots realities rather than abstract policy positions. Agnes Kavindu is widely regarded as compassionate and people-centered, determined and resilient, grounded in grassroots realities, a strong advocate for women and youth. Unlike confrontational politicians, her leadership style emphasizes dialogue, collaboration, and persistence. She earns respect for remaining accessible to constituents and for maintaining humility despite holding national office. Like many Kenyan politicians, Kavindu has faced electoral competition and political challenges. While political transitions are a natural part of democratic life, she has remained active in public service and community engagement regardless of electoral outcomes. Her resilience in the face of political setbacks has strengthened her public image as a leader motivated by service rather than position. Agnes Kavindu maintains a relatively private personal life. She is a mother and family-oriented individual who values faith, integrity, and community bonds. Outside politics, she is actively involved in mentorship, women's forums, and community development initiatives. Agnes Kavindu's impact lies in her dedication to uplifting women and strengthening grassroots leadership. She represents the growing space for women leaders who rise from community activism to national representation. Her work has contributed to increased visibility of women's issues in Machakos County, expanded access to empowerment resources for vulnerable groups, greater participation of grassroots voices in national politics. Agnes Kavindu Muthama's biography is a story of perseverance, service, and grassroots empowerment. From her early life in Machakos County to her role as woman representative, she has demonstrated that effective leadership begins with listening to the people and understanding their daily struggles. Her journey continues to inspire many women and young leaders who aspire to participate in Kenya's political and civic leadership, proving that dedication and community roots remain powerful forces in public service. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.